फिजिटी है थोड़ी।
Beggar.
बैंगन? No, don't say it because I was there.
No, in fact, I absolutely did not know Shantanu was there. I'll tell you the story behind that. No, genuinely, I didn't know you were there.
अरे I know, Mama. I'm just kidding.
Dad चलना सिखाया. Yeah, it shouldn't look like ये बड़ी होके अच्छी actress कैसे बन गई. Okay.
Hi, this is Jay and you're watching me on Bollywood Now. Today I'm in conversation with Shantanu Maheshwari and Sai Manjrekar. Hi guys, welcome to Bollywood Now.
Thank you.
Thank you.
कैसे हो आप लोग?
Very
We are in
good.
the moment now.
Enjoying the
Excited.
promotions?
Yes, a lot. Are you?
Yeah, loving it. Yeah.
How are you feeling about the promotions? Please tell us.
It's amazing. It's fun because I'm getting to do it with you
मैंने
also.
mic हटा
so
लिया.
yeah. Oh, sorry. I already. मैं अपना mic खुद carry करता हूँ.
चलो आपको सही के बारे में एक अच्छी चीज बतानी है और एक गंदी चीज बतानी है और आपको
गंदी चीज. हाय हाय.
और आपको शांतनु के बारे में.
एक अच्छी चीज. I'm trying to be different here.
Okay.
Okay. Her hair color.
Yeah. Okay.
Huh?
I accept. I accept the compliment.
हाँ मतलब it's not a bad.
No. I accept.
हेयर कलर तो चेंज होता रहता है ना.
तो इसीलिए ना ये वाला अच्छा है वैसे भी बोल रहा हूँ ना.
I have been waiting for compliments for my hair color.
Bad thing. नहीं कुछ नहीं है. Fidgety है थोड़ी.
Beggar.
बैंगन?
It's been a long day. I'm sorry. Huh?
सही, you go for it.
Good thing and bad thing.
हाँ.
Again, the bad thing, nothing. I think he.
ये अच्छा है. मेरे को हर क्वेश्चन में स्पॉट में डाल देता.
There's no bad thing about Shantanu. He's a very nice person. I can't say something bad about someone who's genuinely a nice person, no? And one good thing, I feel like he is a very energetic, good. Like he gives a lot of good energy out whenever he enters a room. It's very nice.
Let's coming back to movie. औरों में कहाँ
कहाँ
दम
दम था?
था.
Yes.
So you are always, very choosy about roles. I would like to ask from you first, कि what was one reason to take this role?
I think I got to know somehow like Sai is going to be part of it.
Arey yaar.
No, so obviously it's a Neeraj Pandey film, and when I was approached for it, I was like, wow, इनका film करने का मौका मिल रहा है, so as an audition देने का मौका मिल रहा है, so definitely I will want to jump into it and firstly go for it. And मुझे story बहुत अच्छी लगी थी, जितना हम लोगों को दिया था brief and everything. I knew that Ajay sir is like दो हिस्सा है movie का in terms of your younger version and you have Ajay sir as the older version of it, main thing. So वो मुझे बहुत interesting लगा because वो Indian cinema में ज़्यादा explore नहीं किया गया वैसा. Generally either people take it like a VFX thing or they avoid completely. So that was really cool and big opportunity. First thing was getting a chance to work with Neeraj sir, then story and everything else. Yeah.
For you, Sai.
I don't
No,
think
don't say
I
it
had
because
the-
I was there.
No, in fact, I absolutely did not know Shantanu was there. I'll tell you the story behind that. No, genuinely, I didn't know you were there.
Arey, I know, Mama. I'm just kidding. Why are you taking it personal?
No, so basically, I remember. Firstly, I have to say, I don't think I'm the one who did the choosing on this film. I'm just happy they chose me, and very grateful that they chose me. But I remember when I'd gone for the test, they're like, the boy is locked. He's coming for the test. I was like, who's the boy? They're like, we can't tell you. We can't tell you. I was like, कुछ hint, clue. I was literally like playing a game with them. I was like, थोड़ा तो बता दो. आँखें कौन से color? कुछ तो बता दो. They're like, you'll know him. Then I started seeing all the boys I know. I thought, but I'll personally know him. So I was like, ये तो actor नहीं है. ये So and then they're like, no, you will know of him. Maybe if you've not met him, you'll know of him. I was like, अच्छा ठीक है. And then I saw Shantanu. I was like, is it Shantanu? And then it was Shantanu.
Wow. तो पहली thing क्या थी? What does came in your mind कि शांतनु कौन है ये ऐसे ही?
I know, I knew him, of course. That was the whole point. I knew they said you'll know him. And then I was like, oh yeah, good one. But they gave me no hint about it. You were top secret.
I had no idea that I was going to be auditioning with you also.
Huh?
Yeah, even I didn't have any idea.
Really?
Yeah,
But
yeah.
you were like top secret. Like I asked so many. Do you ask questions?
I don't ask much
Yes.
questions.
Yeah, I asked so many because I just wanted to know.
हाँ.
He was top secret.
But how does it feel? Your dad had worked with Tabu Bam,
Yeah.
अस्तित्व में,
Yeah.
और अब आप उनके साथ काम कर रही हैं. तो वो कैसा फील था?
It feels like it's come full circle, no? Because firstly, there's a very funny thing on Google that says I assisted in Astitva. And I wasn't born when that film came out. So I was like, पता नहीं कौन सा science है, कुछ खराब लग रहा है. But anyways, I think with Astitva, I think since then, since Dad and Tabu ma'am worked together, he's always told me that Tabu ma'am's been his favorite actor. और तब से आज तक मैंने इतनी फिल्में देखी है उनकी, and you know, Dad will always tell me, just observe her, just observe how she acts. And I feel like in some way or the other, I manifested this because I've watched her so much and been so inspired by her. So I'm very, very grateful.
कुछ सिखाया उन्होंने तब्बू मैम ने?
तो वही मैं भी सोचा कि डैड ने ऑब्वियसली सिखाया तो होगा ही.
Dad ने चलना सिखाया. Tabu ma'am ने, I mean like, सिखाया
नहीं, क्योंकि you guys didn't had any sure.
Yeah, I mean,
That-
I remember Neeraj sir had called me in once because she narrated my lines to me to kind of see her lehja, her voice, her everything, and I think that really helped in getting the character right.
Shantanu, congratulations. Firstly, your film went for the Cannes.
It was a poster launch, yeah, so yeah, I'm happy, yeah.
But
Thank you.
Correcting.
very international level खेल रहे हैं यार. But how does it feel, you know?
It feels great. I mean, I've always said I wanted to do something international, and I still want to keep doing things internationally. And I've got this opportunity. And work की वजह से मैं Cannes गया, तो I was like really very happy. I just didn't want to go and just witness something like that. मेरे को ऐसा था कि काम की वजह से घूमना है ये सब जगहों में, you know, festivals and everything. That is the idea, and that is what I want to do, and that's what I would say I would manifest. So yeah, I mean, I'm excited, and the buzz that it created, really, I'm looking forward to working with Raj sir and everyone, the entire team.
But how does it feel? You know, I remember you telling me that कि you were very introvert person, and you were never like कि मैं कैमरा के सामने काम कर पाऊंगा. और अब कैसा लगता है? You know,
I'm introvert, I feel. I mean, अब बस मुझे पता है कि you know, sometimes you have to come out of your shell, but otherwise, if I'm like in a very my space, I will not talk much. अभी तो मतलब मेरे पास है बात करने के लिए
You're like a tortoise.
Yeah, so I mean, I am introvert. अब second part of the question, I'm so
how
sorry.
does it feel? You know, अब तो आपको 24 घंटे यार, 24 घंटे नहीं भी तो
but
कुछ
वो
घंटे.
अपने काम के लिए बोलना I think important है, because it's just not about me. It's about the entire crew. So many people have worked on this project, and it's my responsibility as a face, or our responsibility, that as a face we should talk about it, because हर कोई को तो आप पकड़ के नहीं लेके आ पाओगे कि you know, to talk about it. So if we have become the face, then I would want to, you know, talk about my film, talk about my work and the process and the hard work that we all as a whole team we have taken to put our project out there.
इसमें आपको एक्शन के सीन्स भी करने को मिला है.
हाँ जी, उसमें भी वो करने को कुछ मिला है मुझे. I'm very happy. वो कुछ अलग चीज़ explore किया हूँ with this character. And again, thanks to Neeraj sir, thanks to the team, action team, the way they were very calm and patient with me and helped me out throughout the process. कि क्या नहीं हो रहा है, ये हो रहा है, अच्छा कोई नहीं, हम ये कर सकते हैं, हम वो कर सकते हैं. So that was really, मतलब they put me to ease so that I can perform to my best
And you
of
love
my
that.
abilities. Yeah.
You love actions. I remember you telling me that. Sorry, for you, how much challenging it was for you this role, younger version of Tabu ma'am?
I mean, in the beginning, I thought it'd be so challenging when we were doing the workshops and the scenes came, and I was like, you know, I have to nail this because it shouldn't. Should I say that? जब by mistake में निकल गया था.
नहीं, but ठीक है. I mean,
Yeah, it shouldn't look like ये बड़ी होके अच्छी actress कैसे बन गई. Okay. That was my biggest fear, I swear. I was like, I cannot have that being said. So,
Being honest, yeah. She's
yeah,
being
so,
honest.
but I think
she's always honest.
Yeah, unfiltered, full.
Yeah.
Nice.
always. Only in life, not in my picture. Nothing. I'm not going to say anything. No, so basically I feel like it was a little scary in the beginning and I took a lot of pressure. But once I think a couple of weeks into the workshop with, you know, understanding Neeraj sir's vision, maybe even getting more comfortable with Shantanu, going through the scene so many times, it really kind of, you know, brought a lot of structure to it. So I calmed down eventually, and I just hope that I've done justice to what Neeraj sir wanted.
And it's love story full, huh?
Yeah, yeah.
What is love story for you all?
Something that, for me at least, I love watching love stories. I full day I'm watching love stories only because I think I'm a hopeless romantic. So for me, a good love story is something that can make you feel everything. And this has that, and I'm so excited because, again, it's always been my dream to be part of a love story, and I got it. So I'm very happy.
I think there are two factors I would say whenever I'm seeing a love story, what it should ignite in me is, A, I should feel like, you know, oh, this has happened to me. I know what that feeling is, you know. And the other thing is that hope. I hope that happens with me, you know, someday. I think these are the two things I would say. If I'm watching something, I would want. I think that for me is like two love stories I watch on screen. Like,
Tabu ma'am और अजय sir को देखकर as together as a couple, how does it look for you?
I mean, the kind of intensity and एक ठहराव है उन लोग जो perform कर रहे हैं वो दोनों, तो I think that's beautiful and something that you want to learn and adapt, you know, वो बहुत सही लगता है. Like अभी भी मैं बोलता हूँ कि अभी तक मेरा favorite shot वो है जो अजय सर उतरते हैं और तब्बू मैम को देखते हैं. तब्बू मैम is looking Ajay sir. I think that is beautiful. It's a goosebump shot. Yeah, even the song. So it just hits different. Like you feel with the lyrics going, the music and everything, and you feel that energy that, you know, such में. Yeah.
But thank you so much. मैं चाहूँगी आप लोग हमारे ऑडियंस को बता दो आपकी फिल्म आ रही है, देखे ताकि
जी.
औरों में कहाँ दम था?
फिर से औरों में कहाँ दम था?
Yeah. So ये मूवी आ रही है हमारी on 5th जुलाई. बहुत मेहनत की है, बहुत प्यार से बनाई है मूवी. नीरज पांडे सर की फिल्म है. अजय सर, तब्बू मैम, जिमी शेरगिल, सई मांजरेकर एंड मैं भी हूँ. एंड बहुत अच्छी म्यूजिक है. अगर नहीं देखा अभी तक तो प्लीज डू लिसन टू देम एंड सी द विजुअल्स आल्सो.
सब तो बोल दिया.
पर आपका एक अलग
Okay.
दबदबा है.
दबा like a waterfall?
No, Sai, don't discuss this way. I like what?
But
Dab.
It does, no? I'm right.
Really?
Yeah.
Dab मतलब waterfall.
no.
In Marathi, waterfall
अच्छा.
dabdaba.
मराठी में
Sorry.
See,
हाँ,
guys, all you intelligent people out there, you movie fanatics who love films like all of us do, go watch Auron Mein Kahan Dum Tha on the 5th of July and give it lots of love because we made it with lots of love.
अब तो चले ही जाओगे, सही नहीं.
Thank you so much. It was such a lovely chat. Thank you so much for doing so. And good luck for the movie.
Thank you
I
so
hope
much.
it goes blockbuster.